Hello everyone, I want to upgrade the hard disk on my PS3 and I was thinking why not making a video about what we need in order to do that. In this video I will show how to upgrade your hard disk on each model of PlayStation 3. The first PlayStation, the PS3 Slim and the PS3 Super Slim. So let's start with the first model. Facing the console, on the left side we have two stickers. The smaller one is for security screw, which will void the warranty, but we can ignore that. The larger sticker is on a plastic cap, and this cap is the one I want to remove. Here is a blue phillips screw that needs to be removed. And now the hard disk rack has to be slided from left to right. Here I remove all these screws and I can replace this hard disk with a newer one. After putting all the screws back, we can plug the hard disk rack. Now I fasten this screw and I'll put the plastic cap back in its place. This is not done. On the new hard disk I have to install the operating system, but before doing that, let's finish with the other models of PlayStation 3. So far I noticed at least two different types of PlayStation 3 Fat, where even the motherboard and the inputs are different. So the hard disk rack is different too. On the second model of PlayStation 3, I'm doing the same. Firstly, I remove the plastic cap, then the phillips screw. And this rack just needs to be pulled out, no sliding required. Same thing for replacing the hard disk itself, then put everything back, just as on previous model. For PS3 Slim, on the bottom, we have this small plastic cap. This doesn't need to be removed, just open it. With the Phillips screwdriver, I remove the screw. And here is another plastic cap. This one needs to be slided from right to left. Once removed, we can pull the hard disk rack. Same as we did before, I removed the phillips screws. I put the new hard disk in this rack, then I can put it back inside. That phillips screw is keeping the rack fixed. And this is it. with the PS3 Slim. Now, let's move to the Super Slim. Replacing the hard disk on the Super Slim is actually easier than any of the previous models. All we need is to turn it with the right side up, and having the console facing the right, I simply slide this plastic cover from right to left. Here we have the same blue Phillips screw. And by grabbing this handle, I simply pull it out. Here are the 4 Phillips screws. I remove all of them so I can put the new hard disk. Just match the holes, and now I fasten all 4 screws. Now, facing the sticker on the hard disk, put it back. The last remaining screw. And plastic side cover. With the hard disk replaced, now let's go and install the operating system. I'm using a USB flash drive, and this needs to be formatted as FAT32. If your flash drive is NTFS, just convert it to FAT32. Now I simply search on Google PS3 System Software Update. And the first result is a link which takes me directly to the official website. By simply clicking, it starts downloading the PS3 update file. The file finished downloading. That is on the left side, and on the right side I have my flash drive. Firstly, I create a new folder and I will name it PS3. Inside the PS3 folder, I am creating a new folder and I will name it Update. And now I copy the downloaded file into this folder. Once done, I remove the USB flash drive from my computer and I plug it into my PS3. Now when I turn on the console, I receive this message: my controller needs to be permanently connected through USB cable. The next message tells me to press start and select at the same time. Keep in mind our USB flash drive has to be plugged in. Now it's checking what's on our USB drive. It says we need to format our hard disk, so let's do it. After the console was automatically restarting, I reconnect my controller. I'm pressing the start and select buttons again. After a while, it starts installing our operating system as being an update. Once got updated, I can configure my PlayStation 3. I'm done. Now my new hard disk is ready to use. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.